there, the people start screaming and yelling, "Go back, Osama, go back, Osama, go back." My daughter got so scared, "Dad, let's go home, let's go home."
I actually was shot at by somebody who was in their pickup truck.
And my kids, they're crying back there. They're like, "Daddy, why are they being so mean to you?" We have no answer for them.
One time, soldier stopped me. "Hey, you wanna talk to me?" And he said, "Yeah. Are you a human being?"
On education.
No, I'm good, thanks, though.
Huyen says the model minority myth is a cooked-up idea that people like Rath are assumed to be good at math and science.
I tell you how many times I have to.
The model minority myth in America suggests all Asians are quiet and invisible.
That they keep their head down and stay quiet and just do their work.
So what is our goal? To empower other voices, to give voice to the voiceless, to show the world that we will not stand for injustice and that we will not be silenced.
We will not be silent.
Asian food is important in today's world because most of the people on this planet live in Asia. And it's a market that is just massive and they're growing.
You know, it really made us appreciate the products that we put out more because we have, you know, you create this relationship with these ingredients and you have a story to tell behind the food that you're putting out, and it's a lot more than just in the kitchen.
So what else does being Asian American mean for me? It means I'll probably look like this until I'm 40. It means I have family I can visit here and across the sea. It means every success story I hear this month, I am proud to be Asian American.